What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be taking a look at Algorand in the long term and in the short term. I haven't made a video covering Algorand in a while, in a few days, so I did want to do that. Guys, as always, if you are new to the channel, please smack that subscribe button. Thank you guys for everyone that has subscribed since I've uploaded my latest two videos, guys. The ones that have checked out the Matic and Cardano video and the Harmony video. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. And also smash that like button for the algorithm, guys. Help me get these videos out there to people. And with that being said, I'm going to jump right on into the price action, guys. Alright, so I've got the daily chart for Algorand pulled up here, just so we can take a step back, take a look at the long-term chart. Alright, so you can see, guys, we've got this projection here of resistance turns support. If I zoom in here on the daily chart, that thick yellow line is playing as support here. And that is long-term previous resistance, guys. We have broken down here back into this sort of rising wedge here. Basically, if you were to put that in there and there, you're basically in a rising wedge here. And the measured move of that as a rising wedge, if we broke down out of it, would definitely get us down here to retest some of these levels down here, guys. But we don't want that to happen, right? What we want to happen is we want these support levels to hold. So basically right where we're at right now, guys, as I'm making this video, we are hovering on critical support. And if this support does not hold, we most likely will break down here to the downside, possibly to retest the bottom of this rising, long-term rising channel that we were in, that we broke up out of, guys. That is a possibility. Now, I don't like to be bearish. I've said that a million times. I don't like to be bearish, guys, but in this case, this is a possibility. We could see Algorand dip down to possibly 83 to 90 cents, below $1, guys. That is a possibility. Now, if we hold support here, if I zoom out, you know, this is critical support here. Long-term resistance, turned support here. Critical support. So if that holds, we should see a beautiful bounce here for Algorand. If that holds. I believe it was Matic that is in a similar position here as Algorand in the charts. Okay, Matic is one that has also broken above a rising channel, retested it for support, resting on it for support, the same way Algorand is doing now. So if we can hold here, guys, without breaking any lower than $1, I would not want to see us wick down or go down below or have any candle closes below $1. If we close below $1, we most likely will head on down, guys. But if we hold support here, we should see a nice bounce. Now, there's really not much more I can go into detail here until we see what happens within the next few hours. Let me throw it on the hourly chart here. Okay, so we are trying to hold support, guys. We are trying to hold support here. Zoomed way in here on the hourly chart. So you can see these hourly candle closes above this yellow line. Okay, also above the thick long-term resistance line. So we are trying to hold support here. This needs to hold support, and we need to get a bounce up above $1. Let's see, probably about... We need to get up above $1.15-16 or so in order to continue to the upside, I believe. Otherwise, we will break down here and come down and retest $1.05, possibly $1. And it is possible, guys, we break below $1 if we continue this bearish downtrend. So what we want to do, let me zoom back out here. What we want to see is this hold support. We want to see this hold support, guys. We broke back down into basically this wedge that we're in. We want to see this hold support and come up and break back to the upside, guys, and continue our momentum to the upside. Otherwise, we will most likely break down to retest some of these levels, guys, or anywhere between 80 cents, really, anywhere between 80 and 90 cents, guys, is a possibility if we continue this bearish trend. That is only if we continue this bearish trend, guys. We definitely... There's definitely the possibility that we could break up to the upside, guys. But we definitely have some areas of resistance, many areas of resistance that we have got to break through, guys, if we want to get that move that we're all hoping for and looking for, guys. And at this moment, we're just barely holding support here on the hourly chart. So really, at this point, anything could happen, guys, with Algorand. So keep an eye on this chart. I will be doing a live stream, and I will take a look at Algorand for you guys. We definitely want to see this daily candle, or well, let's see, 4-hour candle. But yeah, if I put it on the daily, we've got about an hour and 15 minutes left, guys, for this daily candle. We want to see this daily candle close at least well above this yellow line. We do want to stay above this yellow line, guys. We want to see it close above this yellow line and not break down. That's all the time I've got for Algorand, guys. I will include it in my live stream later, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, smash that like button. Check out my live stream later, and I'll see you guys in my next video.